Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. So these are the ingredients we are using for today's cake. We have our cake layers here, which includes my cookies and cream cake layers in the circle and then square shapes, which are 6 inches each. I have my vanilla cake layers here. The recipe is linked below. Same for this cake layers here. Melted chocolate, melted dark chocolate, cake comb, the offset spatula, cake scraper, tissue. We'll be adding some cherries according to the install of the cake. We'll be topping it up with some of our Oreo cookies here. We have a ribbon for the cake box, piping bag, food color, support sticks or skewers, and then this is our cake box. In it we have the cake board we are going to use today. So this is it, and then our solution tape, our turntable, and our buttercream frosting here, as well as this one here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So this is what we've gotten to currently. I've placed on the first cake layer, added in some of the frosting, and then I'm going to place some of these crackers onto it. This is it. We'll place on the next cake layer, which will be the vanilla cake layer, and then we'll top it up with the last cream and cookies layer. So this is how the cake looks like. I'm about to smoothen it out with the offset spatula and the cake according to the design the customer sent me, which I've placed on the side of the screen. So we've smoothened it out a little bit. I'm going to continue with the cake comb, and then after that we'll continue from there. So I'm going to start piping at the bottom parts. this is how everything looks like. We are going to write happy birthday with the melted chocolate here. We add in the cherries and then we are done. So this is the finished product. You have the happy birthday on top, the cherries, and then every other thing that was included in the design. So we place it into this cake box here. We open this part and then we insert it.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.